Hey you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today I was scrolling the internet, as one does, and I came across the Hidden Veggies website, blog, what have you, and there was a recipe for a no churn Aquafaba ice cream. And as hot as it's been out here with this hair on the back of my neck, sis, I was like, let's try it out and see what happens, because I tried the banana ice cream. That's bullshit. That ain't ice cream. I tried the coconut cream one. That's bullshit. Just coconut cream by itself with some flavor and no honey. That ain't ice cream. So we're going to make this vegan strawberry and black walnut ice cream for you today and see how it works. We're going to start this recipe with 3/4 of a cup of Aquafaba, which is just the brine from a can of chickpeas. So that's like $0. And then we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar. This girl getting stuck in there. And this is very acidic, so this is going to help it fluff up and stabilize nicely. And then we have about 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on my KitchenAid with the whisk attachment, and I'm going to let this go for 5 to 6 minutes until it starts fluffing up. You can certainly use a hand mixer. You just have to have a little bit of extra patience. If you are doing it with just a whisk in your hands, make sure you have some stamina. Have some people over for a party and you take turns doing it. Because, bitch, that's going to take a while. We're getting nice and frothy, tits. It's been about 6 minutes. So now I have, a cup of powdered sugar. And I'm going to start adding it to this very slowly because I want it to incorporate. And I don't want to lose our fluffiness. So we're just going to keep going while the, what's it called, a beater, a whisk, what the fuck ever, while it's going. And then after we're done adding it, we're going to let it keep going for another couple of minutes until it gets even more fluffy, because it's essentially in place of an egg white, like you would like a fucking creme anglaise, you know what I'm saying? Now we need to quick blend up our Addins. So I have 3/4 of a cup of an unsweetened non-dairy milk, plant-based. I'm using oat milk. I'm using my homemade oat milk. So if you haven't seen that video, pause and let's watch it now, because you can use code Midnight Munchies for 10% off your own Ellie's Best Nut Milk bag.
Look at a pig, show me where to go. For me, squish, chick back, no doubt that I dig. She laid me to rest with the white slip skirt, flirting with an angel that was caught in the surf. The birth of my heart started with the wood of a touch and the surf. I dive at first on my earth, submersed in a love divers. Oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey.
So to also make it creamier, we're going to add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. We're using a neutral oil. You can use like canola. And if you decide to use coconut milk instead of oat milk or an almond milk or soy milk, then don't add the oil. And if you're trying to go 100% fat-free, you don't have to add the oil, but it's not going to be as rich and creamy as if you did add the oil. You know what I'm saying? Because oil, it's like fat. It's the fat that's missing from the animal-based milks that we need to put back into the non-dairy milks. Okay, so I'm making the strawberries, so we're adding some strawberries. It's strawberry season, bits. So you need about like 3/4 of a cup of strawberries. And I'm going to be adding black walnuts as an add-in, but I'm going to take some ahead of time just to give it a little extra black walnutty flavor. So we're gonna blend this up until it's nice and smooth, bits. Look at this peak. Can we just talk about this peak right now and how sharp and peaky she is? I get so blown away by Aquafaba. Like, it literally blows my mind. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to take our strawberry mixture and we're gonna slowly add it and fold as we go. So I'm gonna add a little bit, and then I'm gonna start folding, and I'm gonna Julia Child's like, don't the middle and around the outside, because we spent all this time fluffing up our Aquafaba that's going to help make our ice cream nice and thick and fluffy and creamy, that we don't want to, like, you know, we don't want to deflate a bitch. So we're just going to keep adding to the side and go down the middle and around the outside. It's hard to tell on screen, but it definitely is pink. I don't know how to... I mean, she's pink. I feel like she's not showing up. But so now I'm going to add some black walnuts, and I'm going to fold her in. Then we're going to pour her in here. Oh my God. So now we have to freeze her, right? So I'm pouring her in this container. That way, when I freeze her, it's easily scoopable. But what I will say is the walnuts are a little bit heavy. So after probably about like a half an hour or so, I might take her out and mix her up again, just to make sure that all the walnuts didn't sink to the bottom. And that way we have like an even distribution of the walnuts. You know what I'm saying? Because we doing the black walnuts. You know, if you saw my cucumber bread recipe, the floral is really gonna help with the strawberry. You know what I'm saying? Lieutenant Dan, ice cream. You guys, look at how like luscious. She's a luscious. Okay. I tasted like the mix before I froze it, and it was so good. Okay. Ooh, she's falling out of my little glass here. Oh no. Okay. She's definitely still a little bit more icy, like a vegan ice cream and non-dairy ice cream is. But she's creamy, super flavorful. Oh my God. Yeah, see, she's still a little icy. You can see she like, let me get close. You see, but she's the best vegan ice cream, no churn, that I've had thus far. So, everybody take a, I have strawberry. So you can do like any berries you want, any add-ins. You can do like swirls of peanut butter. You can add cocoa powder to your like milk mix. You can do like a million different things, and I think we're gonna do a lot of those because that was really good. I wonder actually if it's more icy-y because of the strawberries have a lot of water in them. I use like fresh strawberries. I'm gonna try it with like just cocoa powder and see if the creaminess is different with that one. Okay, so full written recipe will be linked below. It will not be my website. It will be the Hidden Veggies website because it's their recipe. But make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, donate via PayPal to midnightmunchiesandmore@yahoo.com to help support this channel. I actually got some awesome goodies from Jahada and Mel. I got like a ravioli cutter that I'm excited to make raviolis. I got a whole like cake spinner set up to make a fancy ass cake for y'all. I am so excited. So thank you guys so much. That was all from my Amazon wish list, which is also linked below. That's how you can help support. And oh, also, if you've made it this far, I was thinking about trying to do some sort of like kitchen merch that has like some of the silly things that I say on it, but I don't really know what you guys would want. So comment below, like, what are some silly things I say that you would want on like a kitchen spatula or like a whisk or like a cutting board or something like that. Let me know. Comment below. Black walnuts all up in my teeth. And I love you all. And catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.